we need to delete production list items, not list. If you delete list, it will be not a like best practice. We should delete only list items. Why means, anyway, if I make any list as a production list, that list item will not goes to dev to prod. Then what is the use of keeping here dev model? So they again they will upload that list items in production model. So that is the purpose. And one more thing, in dev model we need only structural data. From dev to prod we can pull only structural data. Anyway, if I make any list as a production, that list item totally become production data. We can't sync dev to prod. Again they need to upload. Everything is they need to upload. Then what is the use of in dev model, that one? So that is the purpose we don't use that one. We don't need production list in the dev model. List items, not list. We should say list items. If you say list, it will be again it wrong. List items we don't need. So list anyway we need. So structural data, that is the list is the structural data. Inside the list whatever we have, that become production data. Is it clear? How we are making
Yes.
90 GB model to 23 GB model? That is the main important. Whatever the procedure we have, we should cover. This is the like prior first point. The main intention to explain that one, this only, how we are decreasing the size 90 GB to 23 GB. Copy and RK, everything is fine, but we should be aware about this one. Is it clear for everyone how we are doing? Okay, fine.
Sir,
Yes.
what is the major difference between first and second scenario, sir? We are doing same thing. Hotfix we are fixing and we are doing that from dev to prod in the first and second scenarios. But in the middle of the work is the second scenario. But in the first scenario is the only when the
Directly
customer
you
asks.
are creating some changes and you are syncing to prod. In second scenario you are doing some work. That is the reason that whatever if you are in middle of work, you should not send that middle work. That is the reason you need to restore our model to previous stage. Then again there you need to do the changes and you need to send that old details from last revision tag to you need to send. That middle of work whatever you are doing, that should not send. That is the purpose.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes. And Suresh, I have one doubt. Are you applying jobs and everything? Everyone is facing interview. Still now you didn't face even one interview. What is the problem with you? I'm not getting.
No, sir. Actually, I have gotten one call and I have given that first interview, and after that I have gotten second call, but they didn't any interview. But
Okay.
after that, when I call to any numbers, they are expecting minimum 3.5. They
Then
are not
you
taking my
have,
profile.
I think you have 2 years or 2.5 years. Is it correct?
Yes, sir. 2.2.
2.2. Nothing. Few companies will accept 2.2 years, Suresh. Nothing will happen. And even
Yes, sir.
whatever and you need to apply in Naukri daily. How I told, did you remember that one? Naukri, LinkedIn, you have to apply. Are you following that rule?
Yes, sir. I'm following and I'm updating and I'm applying, but the profiles are expecting minimum 3.4.5, and when the numbers we have given in the group, I'm calling to those numbers and they are asking simply minimum 3.5. We don't require to. They're telling like they are not taking my profile.
I understood, but still you should try. Few companies who expect 2+ years, then for that one you can easily shortlist and you can give the interview. Each and every time will not everyone should have 3+ years. So anyway, wait for some time and you should be active, and mostly you can also give interview. So not a problem. So but you should confident and you should active and you should give mock interviews and everything. Then it will be easy for you as well. So
Okay.
I got doubt. That is the reason I have asked. So you Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
So we can see here user story number 4 in our sprint 1, level 2 sprint 1 we have here, and we can see we have to complete. If you complete this one, our total sprint 1 will get complete. So tomorrow onwards we can start our sprint 2. So here what is in sprint 1, user story 1, what we have done, which details we have imported.
Geography, region, country, location.
Yes, correct. But simply we can say geo hierarchy details we have
Geo hierarchy. Yes, yes.
imported.
Geo hierarchy.
It will be
And
easy for you
second,
understand. And what is
yes,
the
yes.
next in this user story 2? What we have done?
Second, we are doing product family, I think so, right?
Product
Product.
hierarchy details we
Product
have
hierarchy,
imported.
product hierarchy, and geo hierarchy. And the third one, we can the uh, data hub.
In third user
Third
story we
one,
have done beginning inventory and
beginning. Yes, yes, yes.
historic
Beginning
values.
inventory.
What are the
Opening
sales
opening
happened
inventory. Yeah.
and opening stock. These things we have imported into our data hub model. So now we can see in fourth user story in sprint 1. So we are to importing data like company's distribution center sign, shipping metrics and details here, and we are creating here saved use, and that will be used for the supply chain model. So finally we can see you will be adding modules and data related to Unicorn Candy Company distribution centers and shipping metrics. How we what are the different types of distribution center we have, and how we can ship the products from distribution center to different accounts. So that thing we'll see here. We upload the details. So we can see here as a model builder, I need one central location where I can update and import Unicorn Candy Company shipping metric and distribution center parameter data. We can see here. So I need this because I need to reference this data in subsequent model calculation, and it is time consuming and there is a higher risk of error or omission if I must upload it in more than one location. So that is the reason I want every data from one location. So from different sources I am bringing in Anaplan model, and I am creating some saved views and I am storing the data, and then so I will pull data from data hub to our supply chain model. I will know this is successful when I can import shipping metrics and distribution center parameters and see changes displayed in all related models. So this thing we can see here in our fourth user story. First we can see import data into shipping metrics module. Shipping metrics module we can see here in data hub model. Data 02 shipping metrics module has been created. Data 02 shipping metrics module users dimensions already it is existed. Already it is existed here in data hub model. Just we need to check it. We need to go through it. Data 02 shipping metrics module. Yes. So what are the dimensions we have? Shipping method flat and product flat we have, line items and time we have. So these are the four things we have. We can check here. So different dimensions, shipping method flat and product flat, and anyway line items we have. And do we have time here? Time also we have. So we need to check it why they have not given. Data shipping users dimension, shipping method flat list and product flat. So they didn't given, nothing will happen. We can see here. So we need to import that data into this data 02. This file we need to import into data 02 module, and we can see here shipping time and cost per 1000 units. We can see here shipping time and cost per 1000 unit. Two line items we have. So in this module we have to import the data from the downloaded Excel file. So same procedure, we should click on import, upload new file. Where is our shipping metrics? Is it correct? Shipping metrics?
Correct.
Yes, correct. So we can see here we should keep admins only, and everything is perfect. Header we have in first row itself, data we have in second row. So we can go ahead. We should check each and every tab. In which column do we have time here? Column 1, is it correct?
Yes.
Shipping method flat, where do we have this one? Air, rail, road. Shipping, where do we have shipping method?
Pin
Air,
code.
column,
3. Column 3.
you can say shipping code T00 nothing but train, I think. So like this we need to understand. We don't have every time they should not provide each and everything. So code they have given, shipping code.
Column 3.
Product flat, where do we have this product flat? Yes, in column 2. Why you are not giving answer? Are you not able to see my screen?
Yes. It will,
Yes, product names we have here, product codes, that's it. Is it clear? Yes.
code and product code.
And where do we have line item? Yes, where do we have line items?
Line item. Column 4. Column 4.
Column 4 we have cost per 1000 units, but we have cost per 1000 units, shipping time. We have multiple line items here. That is the reason we should not
Column
keep
header.
column 4.
Column 6.
Column header we should keep for line items always. So
Column
we
1.
should check
Column 3. Column 2.
everything is fine. We need to check every tab. So match names is fine, and
Time.
time it is fine. So we can check here shipping method flat. Is it every item is get mapped or not? Each and every tab we need to check. Sometime it will not get
Shipping
mapped because of some spelling mistake. You can see here shipping time.
manual. Shipping to map.
So click on run import. Yes. So we have imported the shipping details from the Excel file. So we can see here. So in this way we can import data from the Excel file to our module, data 0 to shipping metrics module. Then you have some saved views here. So what is our saved view? We need to create one export saved view. So in that saved view we need to do these changes.
Export.
Yes. Export saved view. So in this export saved view we have to check each and everything according to this requirement. We should arrange our dimensions. You can see first we should keep product raising bar, product flat we need to keep. Then we should keep in shipping method flat. Then we should keep
Yeah.
line items. Everything we should keep in rows. Time only we have in that line item. That's it. In column we have time only we have in column. Everything we should keep in in our rows only. First we need to keep product flat, then shipping flat, shipping method, then you should keep line items. So this is the best view according to their requirement. So after doing these changes, what should we do? We need to first of all save the changes to remain these changes. Otherwise what happened? It goes to normal view. It goes to default view. So you can see, is it perfect whatever we have done? If we compare once our answer with screenshot,
Yes, yes.
yes, it is perfect. So this is the thing we have completed this one. Uh, so after completing this activity, import data into shipping metrics we have completed. Then activity, we need to create some distribution center. So we need to create distribution center parameter module. So data04 module we have to create here. Data04 distribution center parameter module we have to create. So under data03 we need to create data04 module. SKU flat list and time should be in half year. So we can see this SKU flat list we have to take here.
Okay, plot list.
So this line item we have to select here. So only we have SKU dimension, time should be in half year, means we can't change anything here. Later we should do. After creating this one, we need to go for blueprint view and there we can change half year. If I want to change, here I can change. Most of the candidates will do this mistake. They don't change time and they will bother about the importing process. Try to remember this one. So if time in half year, we should keep only in half year. We should not keep week format. We should change. Then we need to import the data. So distribution parameter module. So you can see here number distribution center minimum inventory count by the product SKU. So weekly safety stock means every week we should maintain minimum this stock. Without maintaining this stock, what happened? This name quantity, you may run out of stock if you don't maintain this one. Is it correct?
Correct.
Yes,
Yes.
yes. Minimum level.
Yes,
So
minimum
you may
level.
run out of stock if you don't maintain this stock. So what should we do? Import data into data04 distribution center module. Download this file, weekly safety stock. Import data into data04 file. Go to data04 module and click on import. Upload new file. Weekly safety stock. Check here time. Where do we have time? In column 1 we have time. Is it correct? Give answer. Don't be calm. Whenever
Yes,
I
yes,
ask
yes,
question.
sir. Right. Yes, yes.
Yes.
SKU,
Yes, yes.
SKU
Where do we have SKU flat?
for column 2,
Column 2
SKU.
we have SKU flat details. So Yes. So other than that one, we have
Column
weekly
header,
saved
column
column header we should keep. So check each and every tab whether it is get mapped or not.
header.
So, so everything is mapped here. So we should click on run import. Yes, successfully we have imported the data. So in this way, if you have any screenshot, we should compare our answer with the screenshot of learning center. So yes, we have completed this one. We need to create the saved view. So on final step, they are providing screenshot. So each and every time they are not providing after each and every activity. So we should create each and every activity, and final activity we should compare. Create saved view in our distribution center module. Click on save as. Remove this name. Click on export. Paste our saved view name and open our saved view.
Mm-hmm. Export. Yes, export.
Export saved view. Here whatever the view they want according to their view, their requirement, we should keep. Weekly safety
Mm,
stock, only one line item we have. So that is the reason we should bring that one in pages, and you should keep this product flat in
rows,
column.
column. Pivot that one. Mm,
So we need, why we are bringing this line item in pages means, so we have only one line item, so we have more data in this product flat. So that is the
product.
SKU flat. So that is the reason we are bringing this one here. And here there is no need to select anything. Only we have one line item. So that is the purpose they are bringing in proper manner. So what is our default view? Generally we should each and every time, whenever we are, if you create any module, what is basic view, we should keep line item will there in rows, and in column we
Yes.
have basically time, and if you have extra dimension we'll keep in pages. But according to end user requirement, means how data will looks effectively. So on the base of that purpose, if I have only one line item here in pages, I am using SKU flat. So by default. But is there, does it make sense if I keep line item, if I have one here and so many SKU flat, if I am keeping in pages, does it make sense?
No, no, no.
It doesn't make sense. That is the reason
It,
we need to, in
yes.
saved views and this in saved views, that is the purpose according to which view is the impressive. So according to like best practices, we should keep the dimensions and we should save. Here they are giving the guidance, but why they are giving the guidance means these are the rules are, we can say, best practices. Why we are doing this means, this in real time they will not say each and every time you should keep this one here, this one here. We need to understand which view is the impressive, so that according to that one we should keep. I hope everyone is clear this one.
Yes, yes.
So you can compare your answer with the screenshot of learning center. So here create filter to show only half years. Hint, use system module. So here already I have here half year sign, financial year 2021 also I am getting, but they are expecting only, they want half years.
Filter.
So use,
Okay.
we need to use the filter here, so that we can avoid that one. So how we can apply the filter? Simple thing, click on here and click on time. We need to apply filter on time, and you can see in system module we have that one, system 00 time setting by half year only. You should select this one line item, so that what happens, whenever if you have half year, that only it will consider. By creating system module, what we are trying to do in system module means we are creating some filter line items. I have told few rules we have. So basically in system, while creating the system module, what are the rules we have? Whatever the system module you are creating, that hierarchy level you should complete. First of all, code we should each and every time select anyway in any system module. And we should, whatever the parent we have, parent, one parent or two parents, so we should take that line item in every system module we need to include. And other things, for filter purpose we create some boolean line items as well. So properties we have employee starting date, living date, like this, whatever the like different properties will include on the system module. By including all these things, whenever I want in any saved view some filter options, so simply we'll go system module and we'll select that line item, so that whenever half year is there, at that time only it will get true by selecting this filter. So in this way it works. Is it clear how we are applying the
Not,
filter?
yeah. From the system model, it will select the.
Yes. So we should compare our answer now. Now everything is perfect. Only half year data we can see here. We can't see any financial year data, yeah. Financial year column 2020 and 21. Earlier what we have seen. So if I go to default view, that will be different. Then the total view is different. That in this case. So half year also year column also you can see here. So anyway, that is the saved view and this is the default view. So we have completed this activity, and here rename actions and process. Whatever the import we have done so far, each and every import we need to do the rename actions and update the process. So using recommended naming convention, rename the import action for the shipping metrics, add the shipping metrics import actions to the existing for load transport metrics. So whatever the import actions we have done so far, you can see here. After user story 2, we didn't done any renaming option here. Review actions in the data hub model for the import that we are completed during the build for the model builder user story 3 and 4. Up to 2 we have renamed. After 3 user story they have not given any renaming process. Why means we have only few things. Here 3 and 4, while doing user story 3 and 4, whatever the import process we have, actions we have we got, that actions we need to rename here. So using the recommended naming convention, rename the import action for the shipping metrics, add the shipping metrics actions to the existing for load, whatever the send message as a rejoin.
Yes, sir.
So चार्जिंग ऑन करो, मेरे लैपटॉप की चार्जिंग ऑन करो, इधर 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 नहीं, बस बस समझा चाहूँगा। How many members have you joined? Yes, 6 members.
6 members, sir.
Okay, where is this Murli and Sudhir?
Murli said he joined, but connectivity issue.
Okay, fine, leave. Then we have to complete this remaining activities. So we can see here, using recommended naming convention, we need to rename whatever the shipping metrics import we have done. So these shipping metrics actions we need to add in the for load transport metrics process. So what should I do? First of all, what are the actions I got? I should check here. User story 3 and 4. Yesterday we have done on 6, you can see on 6 we have done two imports, beginning inventory and historical value. These are user story related, user story 3 related imports. Shipping metrics and distribution center parameter, just now we have done date, we can see, and everything we can see here. So these are the beginning inventory related actions. These are the like distribution center and shipping metrics details. So which process, in which process we can include these things?
Load 4.
You can see here which one, which actions.
4 load,
Load,
4 load, 4 load, 4 load.
we can see
Yeah.
here load transport means
Metrics.
both are we should include here itself. Load accounts, load employees, load products. So these are the not related load employees and load accounts here. We have load transport metrics only. We need to send all these details. We'll check in load accounts what are the things we have. Transport means anyway transport details will add. So here in load accounts, do we have any details? Load account plot, load account details. We don't have anything here related this one. So we need to check this one. In a transport metric details only we need to add these four actions. So what they have given instruction, that we can see here, using add shipping metrics import actions to existing for load transport metrics. So even we can see here, review the actions in the data hub model for the import that were completed during the build for user story number 3 and 4. We have seen 4 imports we have here. So in that one we need to add, and here we can see rename actions and create load actuals and master data process. So we need to create load actuals and master data. New process also we should create here. We should create new process. Rename the actions beginning inventory and history volume we should include in this one. New process, so which we need to create load actuals, and whatever the transport related we have, we need to include for load transport. So that is the we need to understand. So first step, what should we do? Rename first of all this today's activities. Fourth one, first step is we need to 4.1 load, 4.1 load, what we can give, load shipping metrics details. Is it correct?
Shipping matrix, yes.
Shipping matrix we can write simply load shipping matrix. And second activity, what we have done, 4.2 import data in distribution center. Load distribution center, distribution center details, like that we can write. 4.2
Distribution center.
load distribution center, you can write these two actions. Where can we add? In our
Fourth module, fourth load,
load transport
For load
process, we
transport.
need to include these two actions simply. Yes. So after adding that one, we should run that actions as well. Whatever we have just now done. So these are the actions and process we have completed. So what is the next step we have? We need to create this one first of all. Load actuals process we need to create. Rename actions and create load actuals and master data process. Here we need to create the new process number 6. So then in this process number 6, what are the details we need to add? So this beginning inventory details. So whatever we have here, you can see here under rename the import actions for the beginning inventory and historical volume. Two modules imports whatever we have done yesterday. For that one we should use this 6 load process. So that is the reason what should we do? Beginning inventory, (6.1) you should write 6.1 load beginning inventory, and this for this one we should keep 6.2
load volume 2,
load historical values simply, and include this actions into just this 6 load master data process simply, whatever we have created just now 6.1 and 6.2, then you can add here. Yes, so everything is perfect. Then you need to run this action. Yes, we have completed this one. So simply what should we do? We should compare our answer with the screenshot of answer. So you can see note imports are, these imports are independent to each other, so that not we don't have any specific order like G1, G2, G3. Whatever you want to import first, you can import. You still should follow the naming convention. That will be, if you follow the naming convention, that will be easy. 6.123, that will be easy for everyone. Easily we can understand. So we can see this we have completed. We don't have any screenshot. Here we have screenshot. So almost screenshot nothing but organize the model. Everything it should be proper sequence, so that easily we can understand. Under the data we should have data 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 model we should have. This system 0, 12 we should not have here. We need to keep under the bring bottom, then after 11 we have 12. I need to bring this one bottom 13. What happened? Easily I can see here everything is perfect. So under the data we have data 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and under the system we have up to 13. This right hierarchy we should not have here. We should delete this one. Yes, so this is a completed, and yes, everything is completed, everything is fine, so nothing is a problem. And just for system 00 for this module system we should not have any applies to here. Is it correct? So we don't have any applies to for up to system 02. So everything is perfect, not a problem. So we can go for the next activity. So like we can check after completing this one which activity do we have. So we have few other activities as well. So after completing this one we have like download supply chain model. We need to download supply chain model here itself, so that later we can do other activities in our sprint 2. So what should we do here? In started structure of supply chain model, sign in into Anaplan workspace. Yes, already we have in Anaplan workspace. We should click this link. I have one doubt I want to ask. Are you everyone watching directly through my YouTube links itself, or downloading and watching? I am not getting
Only
your
watching. Watching only, sir.
watching means direct through YouTube link
No, no,
only.
no. We are not downloading, Asif. We are just taking the link and copy pasting in the Google Chrome browsers. Then we are watching.
Yes, that is best thing. I can get my hours. Otherwise, what happened? I couldn't. I didn't get any hours here. If you
Okay.
download the things, so that is the reason. Each and every time asking everyone to watch our directly YouTube link itself. So that will
One
increase
thing,
my.
one more thing actually, while watching, you make sure that everyone makes sure that you are logged into your YouTube account, the Gmail, whatever email you have used, right? So if you are not
Uh,
using the email by logging into your account and watching, then it will not count the hours. So that is one thing actually we need to check.
so from come again. I am not getting this one. Sorry.
What Gilani is saying, we are logging with Gmail only, it will count the hours. Otherwise, it is not count the hours. Yes,
Gmail.
Gilani?
See,
Gilani?
for YouTube, actually, everyone have their own, everyone have given their email address, right? Well, registering the YouTube.
Yes, yes.
So, for example, I can just click on your link in my laptop. I can watch it without logging into my account. So it will not count into your watch hours. Is what I am saying.
Okay,
If I
okay.
am logging into my account, then watching it will count, because you should have a user account to count the watch hours, right?
Yes, yes, I understood. Okay, okay. So that is also everyone follow. That is I am why I am not getting hours. I am getting the doubt. Jilani is told very important thing
Correct,
here.
correct,
So
correct, correct.
everyone try to copy that link and go to your YouTube account, and
Okay.
then they try to watch it, so that I can I will get more hours. Is it clear for
Okay.
everyone?
Yes, yes,
Directly,
yes. Okay.
directly don't click on that link. So take that link and try to go through log in your YouTube account, Google account, and there paste it, so that easily it increase my watching hours.
Okay.
Is it clear for
I didn't
everyone?
get it. No, I didn't get it, Asif. Copy pasting the link in our Google
Jilani,
Chrome, is it
can you
not working
explain
out?
once again?
No, no,
What should we
Bala,
do?
actually,
Can you
once you
show? Please share your screen.
Share your screen
Yeah,
once.
yeah.
Show
Please show.
Jilani.
No,
yeah.
no, Gilani is saying right, correct, correct. Means everybody has a required one account, a YouTube account. They are asking the Gmail or mobile number. So then
See,
only,
here actually, I have
yes, sir.
logged into my account. You can see, right? This is
Correct,
my
correct.
account. I can go ahead and sign out from here, but I can still copy what Asif has shared with me in the group. For example, here I will copy any of the YouTube link that he has given. I will take here, right? So I can just come to YouTube and I can still play it. But what happens? I haven't logged into my account, no? So it will not give the watch hours to Asif. If
Yeah, it is
Oh,
idle.
maybe that can be the reason because I am
so
doing that.
here, if
I
I
don't have any YouTube account. I got it.
until unless I am not signing in, it will not count the watch hours. It has watch hours will add as per the login hours. I mean, users login ID.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Yeah, that I don't know, honestly telling.
No
So
issues, no
even
issues. You
number
can
of
do
hours
that.
I am doing maximum. Yes,
Yeah,
yes, yes.
even me. Even
But
actually earlier
we
I
need.
was Earlier I was doing that. As you told me, actually I'm not getting the hours. Then I saw that actually I didn't log into my account.
No, Jelani bhai, actually what happened, I don't have any account as of now. I'm just copy pasting that. I did not
No, no.
observe. So do you need to create
YouTube
again?
account. 1 minute, Balakrishna, you are missing here. There is no need
Hmm.
to YouTube account here. Just you need to Google
Hmm.
account. In that Google account, you
Yes,
need
yes.
to sign in.
Correct. 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 Automatically, it will asking
Now,
Google or Facebook or
what
whatever.
should we do? 1 minute here.
Yes.
If you open any mail,
Hmm.
in that mail
Hmm.
you should open your YouTube. Open YouTube. In that YouTube,
Okay.
there you can paste my link so that you will be there. You will sign in that Gmail like that. Is it correct?
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Jilan, is it correct?
Okay. Thanks.
Yes, that's correct.
Sir, if
Open
you
your
wanted
Gmail, and in that
to,
Gmail you
yes.
should open YouTube, and there you can paste my channel link. So that what happened,
Okay.
already you already you will be logging in that Gmail account, and you have opened YouTube, and then you have watching my video, so that I will get hours.
Automatically it will pick. Okay. Okay. So I am giving n number of hours. Maximum you are not getting it. That's what I was looking and worrying.
Yes,
What's
yes,
happening?
that's also
Okay.
I'm getting confusing.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So,
Thanks,
so
Jilani. We got
actually,
an
what I
update.
am thinking, I have 20 to 30 students at it now. They are watching daily at least 1 hour to my videos. Then,
Yes. At least you will get something,
yes, yes.
but it is not like.
The impact
Jilan,
you are not
Jilan,
the impact is
yeah.
not
Now
visible to
whatever
you. So,
now
most
whatever
of
we
them
have
are
done,
doing.
it went to Google. It went to YouTube, not us.
Yes, yes. Uh, Sir, Ashik sir, our doubt. It is process is nothing but it is a one type of batch process, right?
Come again, sorry.
We are doing the some actions in group into the one process. So that process is make as it is a one type of batch process, right? We can keep a one batch as a process. We run the process, right?
I didn't get.
It is batch process means when group of scripts or group of
Okay,
actions.
okay. Batch process means like batch. Where did you see that one? I'm not getting.
So yeah, batch process means so we are using in CMD command,
Asif,
ESS
Asif
CMD
bhai,
command.
what he is saying, whatever we did now, we are
Oh,
creating renaming stuff in the bottom pane and the upper pane. We are tagging them in a group, and then
yes.
we are running it. Right. That process part. What is the process part that can define is doing bulk thing, tagging them bulk app
Yes, sir.
items from the bottom pane
Yes,
to the
sir.
upper pane. So
Okay, okay.
so that is what he is calling it as batch
Okay,
action.
okay. Okay, okay, understood. Yes, we have batch scripts in by using Anaplan Connect. By batch script, nothing but what will you do? These actions and process we can keep in that batch script. So
Yes,
at
yes.
a time,
That
automatically we can run
yes, yes. Yeah,
from
that's what I'm asking.
different. We can automate these actions and process by using that batch scripts.
Yeah,
So that we have.
that's only I'm asking. Why? Because we are using in Hyperion, we are using in ESS command. We are write a batch, one batch,
Yes,
and
yes,
we
correct.
run the total run the entire script.
Okay, okay, understood.
Yes, yes.
So anyway,
So
we
that
can
is
see.
this is also same type I am asking, right? Just
Yes, yes, correct.
okay, okay,
So we
okay,
can see here,
okay.
we have like we are importing our supply chain model here, and so that what happened, we'll get one new model, supply chain model, to our workspace. And Sudhir, whenever if you do activities, after completing your activities, try to keep your model in archived, so that
Okay.
it will not get disturbed for me while doing. Why means after sprint 2 the size will get increased here.
Yes, yes.
Yes, almost it is 50% is completed. So after sprint 2 it will make us problem for us. One large activity we have in sprint 2 final activity, so that historical volume or something. So there onwards we'll get error. It doesn't allow us to maintain to two models at a time. So that is the reason we should archive the model, and we should whenever you are practicing, you bring in standard mode. That's it. So this is supply chain start model we have downloaded here just now. And so what is our next activity means supply chain start. You can see here data hub model. So I will bring, I don't want here data hub model. I will close for some time. So in this supply chain model, what is my next step after making? Rename the model by adding your first name and last name to model. Make as a copy favorite so that we can easily understand and easily find that model. So I can rename my supply chain model as a Asif supply chain model. Like that I will make it. I want to rename level 2 supply chain Asif level 2 supply chain. So we can see here Asif level 2 supply chain model is there, and I have renamed it. And if I want to highlight favorite and everything, you know very well, in whenever if you go to homepage we can do favorite, and uh, we can watch and top it. So not a problem, we'll do. And what is next activity? This supply chain model we should update source model. What is update source model means? So what is our source here?
Here,
What should
source
be
data hub model is the
Production.
source.
data hub model will be source for our supply chain
Supply
model.
chain, not a
So
supply
that is
chain.
the
Why
reason.
not other models also? No? It is a source
Yes
of
sir,
all
but
other.
other also we have, but we don't do other as a source. So
Yes.
to prepare for the second sprint in this project, the supply
Yeah.
chain model you just added to the workspace has some import actions set up to pull data from the data hub model. However, uh, however you need to update the source model settings to pull data from your data hub model to your supply chain model. So what should we do? In level 2 supply chain model, click on the source model icon on the model setting bar.
So it
We
is
have
model
one
to
source
model,
model
right?
icon here. In supply chain model, every model consists source model icon. Here we need to do whatever which one is your source. So like this we can add the source model.
Data
So
hub.
here what is our source model we can see here.
Data data hub. Active data hub.
So select
Source.
data hub source model in the list, then click edit mapping. So select your source workspace from the workspace drop down list, and from model list select your level 2 data hub model, click ok. So first what should we do? We should select on our this model, then we should click on here, and then follow the procedure. First we should click on this model, click on edit. Select workspace means anyway I have only one workspace, I don't have much workspace.
Yes.
So then what should we
Drop
do?
down list.
What is
Archive.
our model?
Select the
Archive
model,
data hub.
supply chain model.
Archive data. Archive data hub model.
Okay, data hub only wait.
Tell me.
Source.
Archive data hub model.
Yes. So where I have asif data hub model here, we have
Yes.
asif data hub model, and
This
click
is our
ok.
source model. Source model. And
Then
this
what happened?
output
It becomes source. This model becomes source for my supply chain
supply
model.
chain. Supply chain.
Yes.
And then mapping it. Yeah. Workspace and workspace and okay.
Select yes, from the model list select your level 2 data hub, click ok. Yeah, I have done this one, and it becomes source for my model. So data hub model becomes source for my supply chain model. Then what should we do? We have few activities here. Import
Okay.
from data hub to supply chain model. So what is
Yes. Import some
import
import
from
from
data
list.
hub to supply chain model? So you can see there are few more things you need to do in supply chain model before you continue. We should do few more activities here. Import into P3 SQL list. Use build SKU saved view from the data hub model to import into supply chain model P3 SKU list. Here we can see. So we should use this one.
Build SKU saved view and
Use
P3
build
SKU.
SKU saved view from the data hub model to import into supply chain model P3 SQL list. So what should we do? We need to import data into P3 SQL list. Okay. What should use build SKU saved view? We need to use from the data hub model. So what is first step? We need to go P3 SQL list.
P3 SKU list.
Open P3 SQL list in supply chain model.
Import. Import.
Click on import. Connect to Anaplan model. And what is my source model?
You.
ASIP data
Data.
hub.
Asset data hub.
Create, click on saved view. Which
Saved
saved
you.
view I should
Yeah.
use?
Saved you.
Which will name, what is that name?
I can't
SQ.
see few activities. So that what should I do here? You can see. So
SKU detail.
build SKU. You need to decrease your size, window size, then you will get some. Sometime you can't see this one. So that is the reason I have decreased my window size. So this here we need to decrease our size so that you can find it.
Build SKU.
Build SKU we should use. So if I want to again increase, then what is the step we should follow? P3 SKU list,
P3 SKU
SKU
flat,
flat we should
flat,
keep,
SKU flat.
SKU
SS,
flat we should keep. What is the parent
code
for
is,
P3 SKU?
flat is no parent and the code is code.
No, no, no. We are importing data into
Acha.
import P3 SKU from
P2.
massive data hub model.
P2
P2
product,
product.
product, product.
Code is anyway code. Here
Code
try
is
to give name or code simply. Click on run import.
yes.
Yes. So it is completed. Then we have other activity I believe here. So we need to rename as well here. After completing this activity, use saved view from the data. Use saved view from the data hub model to import the supply chain model system 08 SKU model. So system 08 SKU details module. If I want to update, so which saved view we should use? System 08 SKU details module. So they have not given any saved view name. Use saved view from the data hub model to import into supply chain model system 08 SKU details module. We should use SKU
Directly
details
will
module. SKU
SKU
details
detail.
module only. From data hub also we use that same model, same modular saved view. So first of all open this one, system 08,
8. Open. Uh, uh,
system 08 SKU details P3 SKU. Open this
yes.
module,
Open.
click on data and click on import, connect to Anaplan model, click on data hub model, saved view. So which saved view should we select here? Again I am facing same problem. So what should I do? I need to decrease my size.
size zoom out.
Then you can see which one I should use.
System 08. System 08 SKU.
System 08 build development I have. Here you can see import SKU details in system 012 we have. So this way we should understand it. SKU details. So 12 or 8 that is not important here. Which one is the SKU details module is there? That one we should select. So P3 SKU new job
Yes.
or column
Column
1
1.
we
Column
have
1.
here. So other than column 1, code and everything we have in the column
Headers,
headers.
column headers.
So we should map each and everything here. So code, nothing is need to do here. Each and everything is mapped,
Formula,
but
formula.
distribution center I need to map here. Distribution center and supplied by, these are the same. So distribution center, nothing but supplier. So that is the
Yes.
reason. So these are both are same, and click on ignore unmapped and click on run import. You will get this only this line item. You can see supplied by only, supplied nothing but, supplier nothing but distribution center. Only we are importing this one. Other than this one line item, each and every module we are using already formula. So there is no need to do anything here. So in this way we can complete this one. And after completing this activity, you need to do the rename. Whatever rename the import action just now, whatever we have done. Add actions to existing process to build product hierarchies. Whatever the actions we have done just now, we have imported. For that one you can see here, two actions you can see just now whatever I have done. I need to
Yes,
add
yes.
in the to build
Build
product hierarchy.
to build product hierarchy.
So what should I do? Simply I should click on 2.1 load
Point
P3 SKU.
P3.
I will write for this one
2.2 load.
2.2 load SKU detail. That's it. Simply I will add these actions into this process. 2 point, already 2.1 up to 4 we have. So that what should we do? We need to do 6, 5 and 6 this one. So anyway, for some time I will keep it. After that I will make and 2.5 and 2.6. Already we have 2.4 and up to 4 we have. I should make this as a 2.5 and I should do this one as a 2.6. So then I need to even
Then
reorder this one. It will be looks impressive. Apply. So run this action, run this
2 seconds.
process.
Yes. Edit. No, no, no.
Yes, everything is perfect. We have done so all the activities whatever we have for the sprint one. So by completing this activity, so the thing is we have only, we need to start sprint 2 tomorrow onwards. Mostly we have like tomorrow success story of our files. So we try to attend 9 o'clock. He will share very valuable experience, how he has prepared, and how what are the challenges he has faced. So everything he will share. So how should we crack the interview and how we helped him. So everything he will explain clearly. So if you attend the class, so that will be very valuable experience you can get. So by attending that one. So today actually he is not available. That is the reason we are conducting tomorrow our success story. So without fail everyone should attend. And you should the thing is we should have motivation, and we should have proper guidance, and we should have proper what we say, um, we need to understand what are the steps we need to do the clear the interview, what are the challenges he has faced and how he overcome that challenges. So all those things we can learn by watching his success story and how he overcome each